since we are wildlife enthusiasts, we pretty much wanted to go on a tour with somebody in which we wanted to kind of experience it from a tour perspective, which was organized and guided, and that's how it came to be.
This is our second safari with Shashank sir in Kabini and first safari in Kanha.
After Kanha, we got super excited with the tiger show. We also found that Shashank ji has got very good knowledge and he has various detailed things about the wildlife and more about the tiger, and he is the good manager also to manage the things. So we found that we should have the more frequency of the safaris with him. So that is how we came into the second one.
We stayed at Kabini River Lodge. The highlight of this place would be probably the location, right next to the dam, very picturesque, and the service. So the people are really good, and that's what we took away from the place.
It is basic, clean, very good food. Everybody is, like she mentioned, the service was really good, and we felt well taken care of.
It is quite near to the gate for the entry into the Kabini reserve, so that the time of commuting is also lesser, and we found ourselves quite fresh into that, because if the commuting time is more, then we may get tired and that way, but here we are quite fresh to encounter the tiger. It is about the staying conditions also. They have got the rooms, they have got the cottages, they got the tent, they have the other bungalows also. So all kind of people can accommodate it. And at the same time they have got the privacies also, because it is spread around a wide area, and the staff and everything is quite good into that.
The parks are well maintained. The entire thing is very well organized. People respect the park, which is also something that we have seen does not necessarily happen in all jungles. What was very different for us was that we had a sighting in every single trip that we took. In every ride we had a sighting, which was pretty not so common.
This one we found that this is more lively also, where the frequency of the animal, the deer and all other, even the birds are more, we can see to them.
Probably another thing which is special to Kabini is that it has a mix of both jungle safari and boat safari. So it has a huge reservoir or river where there are boat safaris, and sightings do happen on the boat safari as well, which is pretty unique as compared to most other jungle safaris. And even from the jungle safari, the view of the river and that landscape is extremely pretty. So that's something different.
And when I came here, I was like just surprised. Wow, so much nature, so much greenery. Wow, I was so happy that I can't tell, but it is super nice over here. I see lots of animals and lots of birds. Example, custard hawk eagle. We saw it on a tree eating a mongoose.
Okay, one sighting that was really memorable was today morning actually, when we just started off on the safari, and before we could reach the park we heard that there was sighting happening on the main road, and sure enough there was a tiger right at the main road. It was a very special sighting. As he walked in front of us for a bit, crossed the road, did his own thing, and the best part about it was the fact that it was very unexpected. You don't expect to catch a tiger on the road before you enter the jungle. So that was a special part and something that I shall remember forever.
Animals that I saw in this 3 days jungle safari was python, very big elephant, and every day all of these people know that tigers are not that easy to find, but in our group we are so lucky that every day, every single day we are seeing a tiger.
We saw Mr. Junior Kabini. He was a tusker elephant, and he made our day very special.
Now regarding the great Mr. Tiger, we are quite fortunate that this time we were able to have the seeing of tiger at every jeep safari. On the first day evening, we got this encounter with the tiger at quite at the latter stage of our trip. Like it was around half an hour before the trip, we got the good sighting of the tiger, and we found that it is very amazing. And after that, the second one also was unexpected one. The third one was on the main road itself. Just we started the safari, and at the initial 15-20 minutes only we got a very good sighting of tiger. And the fourth one was the different altogether, because we were just expected, because of the calls and all those things, alarm calls, that tiger is there, but he was just behind the bushes, and we had a very good glance of that, but it is not that clear, but still we managed to have the glance of tiger, and that much is quite enough on that day. So we are quite happy on that. So this boat safari is not everywhere. So we found that this is one more special characteristic of this Kabini safari. Now the Kabini river is very wide and quite long and very clean, and what to say, it is very cute kind of river. And the river safari, we can see the so many type of birds and the trees, and it was quite good into that.
Neil uncle and Prem uncle, they are both are very good drivers. So if they see that if the backseaters are not kind to see, they just take the car a little bit forward so everyone can see.
The vehicles are fairly new, I believe, and were very well maintained. So that was also pretty comfortable as can be. And everybody was very knowledgeable and warm.
We still remember all the names. It is Mr. Prem, then Mr. Anil, then Mr. Suresh, and
Mr. Shivanand.
Mr. Shivanand. All these were there, who are the guide in themselves. Like they have the good knowledge about the jungle. At the same time, they have the good knowledge about the birds, the tiger and their behaviors, and the monkeys, how they react, the deer, how they go for the alarm calls and all those things. They are well aware of the things, and one more thing, that they are very good in following the rules. Like they were always into the compliance with the rules, like whether it is about the timings, whether it is about maintaining the speed, or giving us the certain directions, like we should not do this, or we should not go for these things and those things. For us, Shashank is equal to tiger.
Yes.
So, whenever we think now about the tiger, it is always the association with Shashankji. And we found that his fascination about the tigers as a subject and the forest and the birds and so many things, that he is very much into that, and so we appreciate that, and we have very good gratitude for that. We are happy to have the association with him, and we will try to maintain that, and that is how we are here for the second time within a 1.5 months. So this indicates our liking for him and his passion of the work. We wish our very best wishes for Shashankji.
It was very well organized, and Shashank took good care of everybody and was so patient.
I think that's a very important point, because along with the skills that you need as a naturalist, knowing, having the technical
People
knowledge,
skills.
tracking the animal, all of that, I think equally important is people skills, being patient with people, taking such good care of them. That's probably more difficult, according to me, than having that technical
Or
knowledge
sighting
and
a
enthusiasm.
tiger.
Agreed.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.